Your home's electrical system is the backbone of modern living. A small issue today could mean a big problem down the road. That's why regular inspections are so important. We start by inspecting the main service entry and your electrical panel, making sure everything is secure and up to code. Then, we check receptacles, switches, and GFCI circuits, helping prevent electrical shocks and power issues. We also inspect exposed wiring where accessible, ensuring connections are safe and properly grounded. From permanent fixtures like fans and lamp posts to testing smoke alarms, we make sure that your home is both functional and safe. Finally, we review your system's compliance with electrical codes and offer recommendations to keep your home safe and efficient. Don't wait for a problem to happen. Schedule your electrical inspection with IT Landis Home Service Team today for peace of mind and safety in your home.
IT Landis Home Service Team.